This is a Nutribullet Pro 900 series, 900 watts of power. Come up from the box. 2 gold leads and 2 regular leads. What we get, definitely the power base, 2 sharp blades, 2 tall cups, 2 regular or resealable leads, and 2 gold leads. However, there is only one elastic seal for 3 leads, but that's okay. You can use the seal. You can move around to another leads too. Let's try. I put apples and bananas. This is how the way you use it. The blades on, twist, It's very easy, just twist and then stop. And very quick.